that guy's ponytail though.
I'm going out to
That
the
shit
farm.
ain't for me, son. Portal has a ponytail too.
He does.
What the fuck?
Please say,
I don't trust
please say
anyone.
Ido. Don't ever say his name Ido again like
Is
that.
it Ido?
It is Ido. Ido
But it's
Portal.
spelled I-D-O.
Yeah, well, I call
Where's
him-
the E's?
Well, you'll call him Ido.
Does he have a ponytail?
He certainly does. He's,
It's Ido,
he's a
then.
beautiful man.
I'm gonna call him whatever
hey,
I want.
hey, don't put his name in your
Well,
mouth.
he said Ido's
Be
the right
respectful
way.
when
I
you
said Ido.
Ido?
When you put
Yeah.
my second boyfriend's name in your
It's
mouth,
your boyfriend now?
I got two boyfriends. And by the way, Carlos Condon is a third boyfriend. It's very hard for me to choose. You line all those guys up in a jail cell, I have no idea who I got to choose, but I would do their laundry.
I don't think you get to choose. That's part of the program.
God, I
think
don't,
that-
do I?
I think that
You
stuff
guys.
is cool. I think that stuff is cool. I don't for certain guys.
Well, you don't know unless you're doing it. I won't train with vegans. Ido Portal. Wow, he's shredded.
Portal.
That
His
dude's
hair's
shredded.
his hair's
Pull him up.
ridiculous.
Pull him up.
Excuse
No.
me, sir.
Pull him up, please, and show what he does. Check this out.
What
Watch,
does he
watch
do?
this.
Is there any videos
Is it
of
the
this?
same
yeah,
shit?
there's a great video.
Is it
No.
the same shit?
No.
How did
No,
how did
hold on.
go
Please.
full screen? How did Connor get connected to him? I wonder.
He said that he was very interested in Connor. He does some crazy stuff, man.
Well, you know what this is really similar to, as far as I'm looking at it, movement natural, that
Yes.
stuff that Hickson Gracie was
Yes.
really into.
But watch what he does. He
Which
does
is
some crazy
interesting,
stuff.
really, when you go back to it, because like we thought of it as yoga, and it is yoga, but wow,
Oh, no,
Jesus
no,
Christ,
this is
bodied
not-
up,
this
son.
is
this
nothing.
dude is doing handstand push-ups on the edge of a table,
Oh, he's not. He's not.
like
he's not a
dropping his
good-looking guy.
head below the table. Oh my God, look at these flips and
No,
shit.
dude, he's watch it. It's
What the
ridiculous.
fuck?
He's
Oh my God, this guy's a super athlete.
yes, he is.
Like, what is his?
There's
find
more.
another video,
There's
Jamie.
more. There's
Oh,
more.
that's
is-
called white people breakdancing.
Oh,
Hold
this.
on.
Oh, the same
Hold,
video
hold,
keeps going. So, what is his background? Is he like a
he's from,
gymnast?
he's from Israel.
Look
he
at
was
this
a
shit.
he was a capoeira guy.
Oh
And-
my God, this
and
is insane.
He boxes. He does gymnastics. He talks about how important rings are.
You gotta relax, Brian.
I won't relax.
But
I
this
won't relax.
flip that he's doing,
There's-
that
there's
flip
this
is
girl
incredible.
Doing a one-handed.
Well, she's essentially doing like Cirque du Soleil type
They
shit.
are dancing, right? They're
just moving
What
their
he'll
body.
do, what he'll do is he'll make you, he'll give you something that, like, he'll make you catch a stick, and he gives you a toy, and as soon as you get good at it, he changes it up on you. So he always has you guessing. He always has you kind of.
Well, he had Connor on the balance beams in Santa Monica the week before the fight, doing all sorts of crazy shit on the beach. But look at this guy's fucking ability to move his body. That's pretty
He is
shocking.
bodied up. Tell you right now.
He calls it movement patterns. He
Tell you right
says-
now. Connor wins with or without doing these movements.
Hey,
Hate to tell
I don't
you.
know about that, man.
Oh,
I wonder if
bro,
it's.
Sam.
But listen, depending on who he's fighting, I think these movements and learning how to move your body like that will definitely benefit him. And benefits are all that keeps you from winning or
Watch
losing.
this, watch this, watch
This is incredible. This
Look at
guy. This is nuts, man. This
Everything
kind
all
of
right?
physical strength.
Yeah, it's ridiculous. It's
That's-
balance.
That's some stupid core
Man,
strength,
maybe
too.
I'm just a hater. I am not into this.
Well,
man.
I'm his
What do you-
best student.
Hold on a second. What do you mean you're not into it?
I'm just not into it.
Like, what does that mean?
I'm not
That's not
digging it.
impressive?
It's cool, man. I've seen people in yoga do it all the time.
Listen, you
His
never seen a
body's
guy
impressive.
built like him. You never seen a guy built like him that does that shit with that kind of body mass. I've never seen that in a million years. I've never seen a guy be able to hold those positions like that. That's
He's a
impressive.
master mover. Yeah.
I mean, that's like a very small percentage of the human population
Watch
is
this.
capable of moving their body like
I
this.
don't
Watch-
get it.
watch.
Like, look at this.
Watch
Look
this.
at what
you
he's
guys
doing.
love it. I know. I'm sure that's great. That looks very hard.
But why do you say you don't get it?
I'm saying I don't get the obsession with it.
What
Like
do you
how
mean by
fascinated you guys are into it.
Look, he's doing one-handed chin-ups, dude. You don't think that's incredible?
One-handed
Yeah, it's insane.
So what? Why are you hating?
He gets
I'm not
jealous. He
hating.
gets
Is
jealous
he
when
hating?
he gets jealous
He
when I'm
does.
attracted to
No,
another
I'm not
man.
hating.
He
You're
gets
jealous.
very,
Are
very
you
I'm not
jealous of this guy's
hating.
body? That's what it is.
Yeah.
That's what it is. You have body
Look at this.
dysmorphia.
Look at this.
That's
Oh my God.
fantastic.
That's good for your shoulder joint.
Yeah, I agree.
He's
Jesus
very.
Christ.
He gets super mad when I have a new boyfriend, and that's the truth.
That's
Yeah, but this
gymnastics.
isn't just a new
That's
boyfriend thing. It's
gymnastics.
him looking at this guy's body, and I'm
and
he's
hair
freaking
and
out.
No,
face.
I just don't think it's that impressive.
Well,
Oh, you're
I
out
go
of
to
your
yoga
mind.
and I've seen gymnastics.
Listen.
Yeah,
This
not-
isn't anything new.
You're out of your mind.
You're out of your mind.
if you don't think that guy's impressive.
I was gonna say, and look at him meditating. Look at his traps.
That's not impressive. I can do that. It's
I
the
can
only thing
see
he's
his
done so
chakras.
far that I can
oh,
do.
Hey, what's up, everybody?
The only thing that he's
Look
done
at
so
him
far
crawl.
see, this stuff is all the Hickson Gracie type shit. Hickson was really into this stuff.
Super into it.
As
That
am I
movement,
now.
natural stuff was essentially like this flowing yoga style that Hickson was really into, that a lot of other jiu-jitsu guys got into. And it's so interesting to see it all come full circle now with guys like Connor incorporating that. But this is even another level.
Yeah.
But you've seen those videos of Hickson doing those full splits, standing full splits on a balance beam.
20 years ago.
Yeah, holding his
20
foot
years
up in the air.
Yeah.
What are you trying? Why are you saying 20
I'm just
years
saying,
ago?
this
Well,
has been.
you're hating
this
on
is-
Hickson now.
No, I
You
love
sure
it.
are.
No,
You have to qualify 20 years ago.
Amazing.
No, I'm saying Hickson was doing
Oh, that he
this.
was way
Now, this
ahead.
isn't
You
new.
can't let it enchant you.
Boss Rutan was
I see
doing
what
shit
you're
like
saying.
Can't
this.
be enchanted.
Boss Rutan was
never-
doing crazy
He
shit.
never did that.
You can't be enchanted.
Well, he was in on chains and like fucking
Hey.
with his hair done. And,
Look
like,
into my
doing this,
eyes.
You know? Yeah, my bad.
What
Boss
do
Rutan wasn't doing
What,
that.
what are you running from? What are you running from right now?
Nothing. I just don't think you can give that guy that much credit.
Can
for
I
not
ask you a
knockout.
question? Can I ask you an honest
We're
question?
not doing that. We're saying the guy's impressive physically and that it helped Conor to train with that guy. Obviously, Conor's not stupid. He's figured out how to become the world champion with one punch.